Hello everyone and welcome to Excel Basic Learnings. In this session, I'll quickly show you how to subtract numbers in Excel by using a very simple formula. So say we have a total here for the expenses 475 and wanted to see what is the difference left after minusing from the credit 600. So we simply say go in a cell, double click is equal to 600 minus the total, yeah, and then it will give you the value of 125, which is a difference. Say we wanted to see individually how much the difference is, or how can we do in a multiple lines. So it's also a very simple formula here as well. You just double click on this one, say is equal to 600 minus 250 for John, and then press enter, and then you drag all the way. You can see this little dot here, and you bring it up to the cursor where it's converted into plus sign, and then you keep pressing and drag it up till here, and then this will give you a value for all the names. Say 600 minus 100, which is 500, 600 minus 50, 550, 525. So this is how you can look for the difference for each individual person. I think this is a very simple trick. So please follow and subscribe for more insights video. Thank you for watching again. See you next time.